Hey Gemini, I'm T, and I'm here to do your T reading for the Snowstorm of 2026. Thank you for being here with me. I wanted to look at a few things. See who's in your energy during this snowstorm. Who's thinking about you, right? So let's start with the teacup. And the teacup would definitely see uh there's an energy of someone guiding you on the right direction when it comes to something in your life. They want you to be grounded. They want you to be still. They want you to be quiet. They want you to be able to make the right decisions. They don't want you to be stubborn. They don't want you to think that your ideas are always right, because they are not. They feel like there is some thing that is coming between you and your ideas, and someone, there's something coming in between you and idea, something coming in between. Maybe it's between this person, but it's not necessarily a physical issue that's coming in between you and this person. It's the concept, it's the idea of being stubborn. I don't know what else to say. This bonsai, it's like a bonsai tree. That's what I think of a bonsai tree. And someone's pruning it. So this is a symbolization of like, really sit down and focus on your work. Focus on your your goals and your family wishes. And there's someone in your energy that is giving you a little bit of sexual energy, if I should say, Gemini. I'm just going to say, okay. I think you are a little maybe focusing, I hate to say this, but you may be focusing a little bit too much on them and their energy that you're giving to you, because they're giving you gifts, they're giving you compliments, they may be giving you flowers. Is this someone new? The letter C may be significant. Or is this the person that's really quiet and really laid back? Is that them? Are they the quiet and laid back one? Are they the grounded person? They're giving you a whole bunch of gifts. They're giving you a whole bunch of recognition. Who is this person? Please clarify. Is that dark dealings with a relationship with a man? Dark complexion and hair? Just defend yourself. Why? Why does this Gemini need to defend themselves? Leo may be significant, the month of August. This bonsai tree is really like really coming out to me. And in this direction, there's an angel over the C, the letter C. Like I said, I don't know if I said it before, but this letter C is not like a C that you pronounce in cat or coat, or it's like the way it's pronounced. It's I think the C in this teacup, the C is actually like not pronounced in the person's name. I have to say this, Gemini. I don't feel like this person that's in your energy right now. Okay, let me say this. There's two people in your energy right now. There's one that's promoting you and saying, hey, focus on this. And you, on the other hand, are focused on this person who's giving you all this attention. But your spirit guides or someone is just don't want you to focus on that. They want you to focus on your family, your work. You know what I mean? Like, they're letting you know this person's going to try and come and wine and dine you. But they want you to focus on something else. And I don't really know why. Yeah. Oh, this is the reason why. That's the reason why this card came out again. Love. You're highly thought of. LOC, L.C is significant. This is who's thinking about you. You have someone in your higher self, your spiritual team, your ancestors. Someone is saying, focus on this, focus on one thing, focus on your family and your love and like your peace and everything. And then you have this guy or this energy that's in your energy also, who's sending you gifts, and they want you to give them some attention back because they're giving you the attention. But I feel like you're getting, like, don't focus on it. And I don't know the reason why. It says don't lower your standards. So maybe that's it, Gemini. Don't do it. Don't lower your standards, or maybe just give it more time before you actually give it your energy. All right. Thanks for having tea with me. Be well.